Welcome to our lens showdown. Today we're diving into a comparison between two very different lenses. The Nikon NIKKOR Z MC 105mm f 2.8 VRS, a high-end macro lens designed for professional photographers, and the VILTROX 28mm f 4.5 Pancake lens, which offers a lightweight and budget-friendly option for casual shooters. We'll explore their specifications, performance, and ideal use cases to help you choose the right lens for your photography adventures. Let's start with the price. The Nikon NIKKOR Z MC 105mm f/2.8 VRS comes with a premium price tag of $1,369, reflecting its professional-grade quality and features. In contrast, the VILTROX 28mm f 4.5 is priced at just $99, making it an incredibly accessible option for those looking to expand their lens collection without breaking the bank. This stark difference highlights the varying target audiences for each lens. Next, let's discuss their intended use. The Nikon lens is specifically designed for macro photography, allowing for life-size reproduction and exceptional detail, making it perfect for nature and product photography. On the other hand, the VILTROX Pancake lens is ideal for street and travel photography due to its compact size and lightweight design, allowing photographers to capture spontaneous moments without the bulk of traditional lenses. Finally, let's look at build quality. The Nikon NIKKOR Z MC 105mm f/2.8 VRS features a robust, weather-sealed construction, ensuring durability in challenging conditions, which is essential for professional use. In contrast, the VILTROX 28mm f/4.5, while made of metal, is designed to be ultra-thin and lightweight, prioritizing portability over ruggedness, making it less suitable for harsh environments but perfect for everyday carry. In conclusion, both lenses serve distinct purposes and cater to different types of photographers. The Nikon NIKKOR Z MC 105mm f/2.8 VRS is an investment for those serious about macro photography, while the VILTROX 28mm f/4.5 offers an affordable and portable solution for casual shooters. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more photography content.